Hello and welcome. This is Roy. You haven't heard from me for quite a while. I'm okay. There are some changes in the pipelines concerning the way that I'll be introducing my work in the future, and I'll be providing details about that in the next few weeks. So stay tuned. For now, I've cut a clip here from a very long video, 75 minutes video that I've just recorded for my subscribers, and I thought you would appreciate here focus on three stocks, special situation here, and this is concerning the oil sector, as the price of oil is losing value week by week. We are seeing the effect on the various sectors of this oil industry. Hope you enjoy the clip, and wishing you good trading. Till next time, bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the British pound Japanese yen, the euro Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, British pound US dollar. Gold, silver, high grade copper, the IGPA of Santiago index, that is of Chile, Aberdeen Chile fund, light crude, Brent crude, FEX, TNX, TYX, the junk bond ETF, and then stock markets, that's the S&P 500, the S&P 100, the S&P 400, then the Nasdaq Composite, the DAX of Germany, RTS of Russia, Brazil's ETF, Pertobras, Transocean, that is quoted in the US, SeaDrill, quoted in the US, Taiwan 50 index, the Chinese securities index, Bombay Sensex 500, and the mid cap of Bombay. And that will terminate the long video. And here with I'll continue here with the chart of Pertobras. Also here we have seen a massive reversal, and this is the weekly, and you can see the effect of 1 week of elections jitters here. A big slump, but the question is whether the breakout here is genuine or whether we're going for further testing of the floor at around 10. It's still too soon to cut it one way or another. We have an option here on the wave count that could be a 1-2. The third wave may have ended here or here. If it ended here, all of this could turn into an ABC. It does look to me like the risk for that, I mean, a risk of a huge delay is definitely feasible here because of the slide that was clearly 5 legs. Here we have a huge slide of 5 legs, but don't lose sight of the fact that if we do go any lower towards 11 or 10, this would be an absolute bargain. It will be incredible opportunity, a buying opportunity. So think in these terms. Right now I think we are due for a rebound because we had a very sharp reversal here. That appears to have gone into an ABC, and the slide here is clearly 5 legs, huge 5 legs. So I'm treating this as a potential A or 1. We'll have a rally now, B or 2, and then another slide that will be either a C or 3. Take a look at the 60 minutes, and it closed the week with a panic slide here, and that's the wave count that I'm using. That's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Do you see? So I think we're going for some rebound now. Here's the Transocean stock. The symbol is RIG. Yes, RIG, and it's another stock that is crashing through major support here. It's something really astonishing. I follow a guy that is looking at this stock only from the fundamental point of view, and he has been recommending buying this stock for months and months. He's doing an excellent analysis, excellent fundamental analysis, but when you see the chart and you see that it's been so weak, there's no rush. There's no rush buying it. It's cheap now. It will become cheaper. And my thinking is that you could actually crush towards 20 here. This is the weekly of Transocean. It's going back to 1993, and my wave count is putting an option here of an A or A. That's a B, and we're going down in a C. So 20 could not be out of question here. And I'll show you the daily and the big smash that we have seen here after clear 5 legs down. You see, the guy is doing excellent research. He's an accountant, but he doesn't have a clue about Elliott waves. He mocks, well, I would say to some extent, I suppose, he mocks people who make their decisions on the basis of chart reading, etc. But chart reading is very valid. In many cases, chart reading is an extremely powerful tool. The best of all worlds is to combine the fundamental analysis with chart reading. This is the best you can ever wish, you know. But it's not so simple. There are people who fall into some, you know, some set of beliefs, and they use their own method. Okay, this is the daily. Now you can see that's 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 3 4 5. Further slide. That could be just wave 1 of 3. So Transocean, as far as I'm concerned, is not a buy, and I didn't buy it. But although I've been following this guy, and I'm very impressed by his research. On the whole, he does superb research. This is SeaDrill Limited. This is SDRL. It's a Norwegian company, very famous. And also this one was recommended by quite a few analysts that I read. Again, they all do fundamental analysis. They were getting very excited when it was here, because they were claiming that it's very cheap, etc. Well, it rallied and they were all very happy, and now it came down. When I was looking at all that, what really concerned me on the weekly scale is when I saw that there were 5 legs down here, and that worried me. And I said to myself, this is not long lasting, this rally. There'll be a comeback. And look, it's now breaking, and it's going to break a long way, long way. The major attraction of this stock is that it's paying very high dividend, but some people say that they can't afford the dividend, and in fact they're selling assets or borrowing money to pay their dividend. So this is obviously a very stupid thing to do. That is the daily now, 1 2 3 4 5, and you can see from close that's a 1 2 3 4 ABC, super clear. If people just spend a bit of time learning the patterns, they'll see how powerful they are. This is an A clear ABC. And look, it came down. This is a clearly a third wave. So we are now in a 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. We are in a 1 2 1 2. Just keep looking down. Or in A B C down. Either way, plenty down. The downside is coming. Here's Taiwan.